quinoa. What was I thinking? I wasn't thinking. It'll be fine. Good morning. It's a new day. It's the same outfit because, well, this was not dirty enough to put in the laundry, so we're gonna finish it off today. Last video when I told you that I felt like my heart was changing. Well, I had a phone call with a friend and I was talking to her, and at the end of our conversation she said, "You sound like the old Bonnie. You sound so happy." And although I will never be the old Bonnie. I wish I could be. I will never be the old Bonnie, but it made me cry when she said that because I do feel much more happy, and for her to hear that in my voice, it just really made a difference. Part of me turning over, not even turning over this new leaf, but just moving forward. Really, I want to focus so much more on everybody else than I do on myself. I know that we all kind of go through these periods of selfishness, and I have focused solely on myself, solely on my heartache, solely on my feelings, my, all the things, which I don't necessarily think that's wrong. But moving forward, I want to focus on other people more. Joel's mom has stage 4 kidney cancer. My dad has stage 4 prostate cancer. A lot of times I feel helpless in what I can do for them, which there really, truly isn't much that I can do for them. But do you know what everybody needs? Everybody needs to eat 3 times a day, which is why food is the most perfect thing that I can do. So let's make a little meal for Joel and I's parents.
While I am very happy to be putting on this vest that Bonnie gave me for Christmas, I'm really mad to be wearing it too because it is stinking cold here. It's like 70 degrees. We're not getting up to temperatures that we left in Florida, which we knew that was going to happen, but there's a cold front coming through. When we got home, it was like 70 plus, nice and warm. In the sunshine, you were actually really hot, but right now there's a cold front coming through and it is cold. Bonnie is going to be using the Suburban all day. She's actually traveling out of the valley for it, so I went and got gas, number one, and now we're going to get the tires topped off so that she is riding really, really well. I want to make sure she's taken care of and is going to be great going down the road. Where's Bonnie going, might you ask? Well, if you're not up to date, my mom and her dad both have stage 4 cancer. And while they're currently going through their cancer battles, my mom has been on year almost 3 of hers, and her dad is actually just getting started on hers and starting to do treatments regularly. So Bonnie wants to be taking them both meals. And since they both live right by each other, she's like, I cannot let this time pass without feeding them. My job is to make sure her chariot makes it wherever it's got to go. So we got to pump up the tires. 50 PSI on the muddy.
Okay, we are going to make enough food for 2 meals, like either a lunch or a dinner for Joel's parents, 2 meals for my parents, and then hopefully enough for us to have dinner tonight, because I'm not gonna cook all day and then not have dinner ready, you know what I mean? Okay, and I don't have some like idea of an exact like, this is lasagna or this is a like type of dish. I'm just putting together some ingredients, and I know that we need fiber. So I'm picking a grain that has fiber. We're gonna make up some quinoa and stick that in a bowl. And this has changed my way of eating. Instead of trying to put together a main dish, a side dish, and another side dish, I don't think of it that way. I just think of, I need a grain, I need a protein, I need whatever else we're gonna need, I don't know. That's just helped me meal prepping. So we're doing quinoa. I would imagine 1 cup between the parents. I would imagine 1 cup for us, and then just 1 more because I have no idea. So if you do 3 cups of that, I mean, that's a lot. We may have leftovers, but I would rather start out with a little more because that's fine. 4, so I need 6 cups of fluid. Now, when I made beef a little bit ago, there was juice from the beef that was so flavorful, so delicious, and I didn't want to waste it, and so I put it in the baggies, and I knew that next time I made quinoa or rice, I was gonna use it. I'm just gonna take this top layer of fat off though, because I don't want that. It smells so good. It's seasoned so well. It may not like look amazing, but there's like little bits, tiny bits of pork in there. I'm gonna do it over this in case it spills. Oh, it's not quite all thawed. So I said 6. See, I'm spilling. I'm glad I did that over the bowl. 1. This looks really gross. 2. Listen, I don't want to waste, okay? This is so good. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. I got 2 cups in there. 3, 4. I usually rinse my quinoa. Dang it. Just gonna finish that, filling that cup up with water. 4, 5, and 6. I seriously always rinse my quinoa, but because it's been so long, I just spaced it. What was I thinking? I wasn't thinking. Well, it'll be fine. I'm just gonna give that a little stir. It's a little slushy in there, but it'll melt down. There's like little bits of onion in there. This is going to be delicious. Okay, we're gonna bring that to a boil and then we'll let it simmer until it's soft. Do you know what I need? I need a giant wood cutting board because plastic is no bueno, and the wood one that I ordered is in the RV. For our protein, we're going to cook up the Wagyu beef that we have in our fridge. And I don't know, I mean, does everyone use an onion? I've never in my life cooked up ground beef without an onion. Onions are very good for you. They detox your body. And this is a fatty onion. This is what, a 12-inch pan? I wish I had a 14-inch pan that was a little bit deeper. Do they make something like that? 14-inch deep. Because a regular pan just doesn't quite cut it for me. Like when I do eggs, it's not big enough. I need just a little more. I'm gonna tell you what significantly improved the taste of my meals was ground pepper and ground salt. It just changes the flavor using peppercorns instead of the really fine powdery pepper. And just for my soul's health, the gold mills, they really do something for me. They really do. Quinoa smells so good. I think I'll put it in a smaller container. I was gonna try to do that clean, but you know, we're gonna make a little spillage here. Hamburger smells delicious. For the veggie, I did roasted cauliflower. I have one in the oven and I have one right here waiting to go in the oven to be roasted. And I'm trying a sauce. I really love to have like a nice good sauce to go over the top of things. This is promising. It has garlic, cottage cheese, dill, lemon, honey. We're gonna see how this goes. Okay, I just tried this. What? Although the recipe for everything is going to be in the description. This is so good. It's a super light flavor. It needed a little bit more water in it because the consistency was kind of thick. And I saved this in the fridge because I didn't know what I could use it in and I didn't just want to waste it. So this is jalapeno peppers, super mild. It's not hot. I used a little bit of the juice. Oh, it's so good. Where should I put these? Over the hamburger? are so good for your gut health. My hands are clean, everybody knows that. They're fine. If they don't want the pickled onions, they can take them off. In fact, I know these will burn my mother-in-law's mouth. That's one of the side effects from her treatments. So I'm going to not even put these on her too. And if anybody else doesn't want them on theirs, like I said, they can just take them off. Oh, it tastes so good. I think they're going to love this. I hope. Are you trying to be me?
Yeah.
Was that an impression of me? No! Okay.
It's a labor of love. They think I'm helping them, but it's helping
Do you
me.
think they're gonna like them?
Oh, they're gonna like it.
Hey, D. No, you cannot come.
She's like, but you're going to see Grandma and Grandpa's.
Your favorite people, I know.
Both of them. You'll be fine, puppy.
Okay, our dinner's ready for tonight, so I will see you in time for dinner.
You got those? They're heavy.
They're heavy.
Lady. Oh my golly. Gassed up and ready to go.
I was actually going to do that yesterday and I forgot, so when you told me you did it today, huge relief.
Well, I was really worried I was going to get it and you already filled it, so I'm glad I got to.
This is our dinner. I had a very nice visit with your mom and dad, with my mom and dad. Tell me what you found. What?
We found giant cow bones.
Nice.
We saw a mole, and I think we saw a mountain lion.
Be honest.
Nobody liked it.
Everything tastes good.
Listen, it's not winning any awards, but it's not bad.
No, it's good.
It
like it.
was very
If I was a chef, I think it went
good
I like
for
it.
you.
I think the cauliflower, because it doesn't taste the way it did when we brought it off the sheet pan. So I think cauliflower, when you like cool it and then reheat it, it doesn't taste as good. But
It still tastes good.
it was good.
I
Well,
think it's good. I loved it.
I thought it was good.
I'm having 2 helpings, so can't be too bad.
Kids did the dishes and literally took off as fast as they could on their 4-wheelers. So the kids are gone. And we are working on landscape ideas. So this is what Joel and I are going to be doing for the rest of the evening. While he works on the plans, I just stare out into the yard. I'm like, what about this? What about this? What about that?
Gotta verify it.
Planting our grapevines.
Yeah.
We miss them. We miss our grapevines.
I really miss the grapes.
Thank you guys for watching. We will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.